Researching for master's degrees abroad and don't know what this means? Let me start by giving you some context. So there are two types of master's degrees abroad: coursework-based master's degrees and research-based master's degrees. And you need to know your concentration to be able to make the right choice. So Masters by Research, as the name suggests, requires a student to do research for a thesis. And Masters by Coursework or Taught Masters basically require you to attend classes, complete assignments, pretty much what you did in your batch. A Masters by Research degree can be identified with the word MRes attached to MA or MSc, or the word research attached to it. And a Masters by Coursework or Taught Masters can be identified with just the terms MA, MSc, MBA attached. Now, to help you make the right choice, we're going to narrow down on a few factors. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our study abroad updates. First, lecture period. The lecture period for Masters by Research courses is taken for 2 years, and students immediately start their research activities for their thesis work. So if you are interested in pursuing a career in academia, then this course would be right for you, especially if you are interested in natural science. An example of countries that offer a lot of master research programs are Japan and Korea. For Masters by Coursework, students continue to attend classes, do assignments, give exams, and so on, just like they did in their undergrad studies. And the duration for this depends on the course and country you choose. For example, in Canada and US, the course ranges from 1 to 2 years, but in Europe and the UK, the course mostly lasts for 1 year. Now coming to the strengths and weaknesses of both the programs. First, for the research program. Strength. A student produces at least 1 to 2 research papers and attends conferences because they are exclusively asked to do research. It also gives them a lot of practical research experience which can be continued in their doctoral studies. Weaknesses. Such programs do not cover a lot of basic concepts, and one may often feel lost if the topics covered are cross-scientific or if you have never studied them before. Now for the coursework or taught programs. Strengths. The knowledge obtained is very deep because students actively involve themselves in various courses and also in lecture activities, test presentations, and group projects. Weaknesses. There is a lack of research output, and students often find it difficult to produce a research paper of international level because they are involved in lecture activities. We have laid it all out for you. And at the end of the day, what matters are your goals and interests. And both these programs are extremely rewarding if what you want is clear. We have included a few more resources in the description below for you to make a better choice. Don't forget to check them out and keep following Auxilo Finserve for more such content.